Before you push your Ghost Helm chats to GitHub, make sure to create a GitHub account. And so once your GitHub account is created, click the new button to create a public repository where we will push our Ghost code. Once your account is created, click the new button to create a public repository where we will push our code. Let's give our repo an easily identifiable name like Ghost Helm Chat and select public. Our public repository has now been created and we are ready to push our code to the newly created GitHub repo. The first thing you want to do is create a new folder which will be used as your remote Git repository. What a remote Git repository is just a location on your local computer where you can push your code changes directly into GitHub. Also name this folder appropriately. Now change directory into this new folder and run the following commands. I recommend that you use the Git Bash app as opposed to PowerShell or CMD for your Git operations. The code that we just copied makes this directory a remote repository. This is the directory where we will commit all our changes. Next, copy all your code content into this folder and get ready to push your code to GitHub. Start with the git add command. This will add all the current changes into your remote repository before we push it. Then commit your code. The end flag just adds a message to help you identify or label your commits. You can see that I labeled it as first commit. You can use any message that you want. Finally, push your code with the get push command. Refresh your page and see that your code will now be available on GitHub. In the next section, we will start our deployment onto the Google Kubernetes cluster, beginning with Nginx.